फिल्म सिटी नोएडा स्थित मारवा स्टूडियो में LLM लीगल लिटरेसी मिशन का भव्य शुभारंभ किया गया। दीप प्रज्वलन के साथ कार्यक्रम की शुरुआत की गई। वहां उपस्थित अतिथिगणों को बुके भेंट कर स्वागत किया गया। इस अवसर पर डॉक्टर संदीप मारवा, चांसलर AFT यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ मीडिया एंड आर्ट्स एंड प्रेसिडेंट ICMEI P&N लॉ जुरिस LLP के फाउंडिंग एंड मैनेजिंग पार्टनर पृथ्वीराज सिक्का, P&N लॉ जुरिस LLP के एसोसिएट सीनियर पार्टनर गिरीश भुट्टोन, दिल्ली बार काउंसिल के अध्यक्ष मुरारी तिवारी ने अपनी उपस्थिति से कार्यक्रम की शोभा बढ़ाई। डॉक्टर संदीप मारवा ने कहा, कानून की जानकारी केवल वकीलों तक सीमित नहीं बल्कि हर नागरिक के लिए आवश्यक है। ये मिशन युवाओं को जागरूक और जिम्मेदार बनाएगा। वहां उपस्थित अतिथिगणों ने भी छात्रों को कानून समझाने, प्रश्न पूछने और सामाजिक जिम्मेदारी निभाने के लिए प्रेरित किया। आपको बताते चलें कि कार्यक्रम में LLM लीगल लिटरेसी मिशन का पोस्टर भी लॉन्च किया गया। साथ ही प्रश्नोत्तर सत्र में स्टूडेंट्स ने बढ़ चढ़कर हिस्सा लिया। कार्यक्रम के समापन में डॉक्टर संदीप मारवा ने सभी अतिथियों को मोमेंटो देकर सम्मानित भी किया।
सर, आज के जो लॉन्चिंग हुई है लीगल लिटरेसी मिशन के बारे में आप क्या कुछ कहना चाहते हैं?
मुझे ये कहते हुए बड़ा हर्ष हो रहा है कि आज हम लोगों ने लीगल लिटरेसी मिशन की स्थापना की है और इस पूरे मिशन का तात्पर्य यही है कि आम जनता, आम लोगों को लॉ के बारे में वो सब पता होना चाहिए जो उन्हें पता होना चाहिए। हकीकत तो ये है कि लोग बहुत पढ़े लिखे हैं, अपने फील्ड में बहुत कामयाब हैं, अपने अलग अलग क्षेत्रों में उनकी कामयाबी है, लेकिन जहां लॉ की बात आती है उनके पास बेसिक नॉलेज भी जो है वो नहीं उपलब्ध है। छोटी छोटी चीजें जिनको लेकर आदमी परेशान होता है, दुखी होता है, टेंस हो जाता है, अगर उसे जरा सा इन तमाम चीजों के बारे में मालूम होगा तो उसे पता चलेगा कि वो इन सारी चीजों से ज्यादा ऊपर है। उसको कोई हाथ नहीं लगा सकता, उसको कोई परेशान नहीं कर सकता और जिनको वो गलती से परेशानी समझ बैठा है वो लॉ का हिस्सा है और उससे वो बचा रहेगा।
We have launched this legal literacy mission. I am founder and managing partner of P&N Law Juris LLP. So we are ready to give the society, since society has given us lot of things. So that's why we are interested that all people throughout India should know their rights, legal rights as well as fundamental duties. If they will know their rights, they will not be entangled in unnecessary false implication in any case. That is our mission.
So being a advocate and everything, I understand that there are many rules and laws, but they are not applicable in India, as we know, as we are also media. Some laws are not even known.
I am just telling you, more than 1500 law has been repealed by the government of India. Even though the police officer and government officers are unnecessarily using that, we can take action against them that you are not entitled to use those laws which have been scrapped. And even now government is going to just legalize certain provisions and removing certain provisions which are harsh and giving unnecessary powers, and the officials are misusing the powers.
I congratulate LLM for this premier launching, and I wish them good luck, and I believe that they will grow like nothing. It's a very good move, and more particularly with today's topic, legal literacy mission. It is a very meaningful topic today. A lot of people are aware today now, and they will acquire more knowledge after such events. And in future also, I will wish LLM to continue with this mission so that a lot of people can acquire legal knowledge.
So what ICMEI can do for children, like students who are going for law right now? There are many, I think, manipulation in them.
Basically, even to the children also, we have to convey, we have to teach them about their fundamental rights. Everybody in India, since it is a democratic country, we always, we can avail our fundamental rights. It may be either the concerned person is a child or major or adult. So, knowing fundamental rights are very important, and that will enrich your legal knowledge. The moment you know about your fundamental rights, nothing can defeat you. You can always invoke rule of law, and you can always get justice from the court.
So today we have gathered for launching of this legal literacy mission, which is LLM. And it is not only this to impart you knowledge, it is basically to empower you. Once the basic knowledge is with you, you are empowered, and once you are empowered, you can do whatever you want to do. You join us for this mission, get the knowledge, and not only get that, spread it also. Thank you so much.
So I want to know that what you want to say to students who are just applying for law, and what their rules should be afterwards. Like it's like
Well, no, see, we have got one session for the students also. You become the student ambassador.
This is a good initiative taken by Marva Saab and Chika Saab and Rishi. And I'm more related to the finance world. So in the finance world, when you're talking about the startups and all the enterprises is concerned, most of the time they are facing problem with regard to the compliances and the legal frameworks. And they do certain, because the startup we are talking about, there are the young guys who are coming into the future, starting the ground show. They're so often not knowing about the legal rights as well as the legal compliances which is required to be done. This mission will help them to understand, because they are targeting to connect with everybody and providing a platform where everybody can come and know about the law. So this is going to be a good initiative where I recommend everybody should be in touch, and they have to shoot their queries so that they can have a legal awareness with them.
I think this is really good initiative, and this is required for all the sectors, starting from maybe from childhood. If student from 11th, 12th, they must get educated about LLM. I'm finding this particular initiative quite productive and going to be useful for our nation. So as we are representing here from Indian Real Estate Agents and Developer Association, I think that is another sector which is required this kind of awareness. Definitely we will try to be associated with them and circulate and educate our agents and developer about legals and their complications. I wish all the best to this particular drive.
Oh, it's fantastic. I think each citizen of this country should have greater insights into what are our constituent and the legal rights. And Legal Literacy Mission is a step forward in that direction, really to bring all of us together to know at least the basics. I'm not saying deep dive into laws and subject, and if you have to, then you have to choose that as a career profession. But otherwise, it's basics, something which each one of us should know, we should be aware of, we should deep dive a bit, and this is a step in that direction.
So do you think that the nation should change in regarding laws, because many people do not know any basic laws, and if we go deep, we have so many laws. So anything that can be done to just reduce all this?
No, I think it's basic interest which has to be generated. It has to come from inside you. Basics should be known to every citizen of the country, for which you have to make some kind of effort on your own, and these are steps to help you educate on that front. But beyond that, if you want to deep dive into it, then you have to choose it as a profession, as a study, as a subject, then you have to go for that.